What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? Hey, what's up? Hey, my name's Robbie Bright Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have Richie Flow here, and I have Haters Love from Haters Love Reactions here. Yes. So today we're going to do a very quick challenge. Very quick. I just want to do this for you guys because no more design stuff. You understand? Yes. So we have 2 colors here. Yep. And we have 3 biscuits. These are the biscuits. We have 3 biscuits. So each of us 2 colors, 3 biscuits, and that's what we're going to do. You can only a worthy opponent. you can only move on to the biscuits after taking a full bottle of this. So you go with this first, then you go with the 3 biscuits, then you go with the final cola. You understand? So you cannot move to the biscuits without starting with the cola first. Okay. So I hope you all understand how this is going to go.
Simple.
You understand?
This is very
cool.
Clear.
So by the count of 3, 2, 1. Now hold up. Intro. Welcome back, guys. So now we're going to start the video. So yeah, by the count of 3, 2, 1. Just at the 3, 2, 1 go. Then we start doing our thing. So the Coke first. The Coke first. Then the biscuits, all 3 biscuits without touching another Coke. Then finally to the Coke. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Ow, my God.
Y'all don't try this at home, man.
You don't try this at home,
Try this at home, man.
These are being performed by professionals.
Tell you, man.
I do this for everyone. I'm really
Man, this motherfucker's gonna take it first. Hey! Oh shit! I'm not even done with the first one. No, I'm fucking full. I'm full.
Are you on the second one already?
What do you do?
I said, are you on the second one already?
I'm yeah. Still on really, man.
One down.
2 down, bros.
2 down. 2 down.
Man, I'm lagging behind, man.
Chill. Take your time, bro.
Man.
Somebody help me.
Who to help you? Man, you look tough.
Oh, good. What's wrong?
Do this on the last one. Hey, I'm trying to clear yourself.
I'm the king already, man.
Yeah. Oh.
You know what I'm trying to do? These guys right here. Wait for my stomach be full, man. But I gotta show them something.
Don't try this anywhere. Don't
Try this at home, man.
Don't try this.
What the hell?
This stunts are being performed by professionals, you know.
I am no professional.
You are.
Yo, man.
A worthy opponent.
Where you go?
What's up?
Hey, you are not done with the biscuit, bro. Yeah. This thing isn't easy as it seems. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Bro, I think I'm going to throw up.
Do not throw up on my goddamn carpet.
I think I'm going.
Hey, do not throw up on my carpet.
Bro. What the hell have I just done, man?
Just go yourself.
Almost done.
I'm the king already. Y'all ready for me, man?
Are you going to wait for me to wait you?
What?
Is he going to wait for me so that I look at my own?
Yo, look how I'm sweating right here, man. Yeah. Excuse me. And I'm sweating, man. This is not a good idea, man. Yeah.
So this is the end of the video.
No. You're not done, bro.
Obviously, Mary.
You're not.
Obviously,
You're not
Mary.
done.
I know it's the winner, man.
So. Sorry.
Hey, don't die on us, woman. Them. Who are? This guy right here is the winner. And this guy is the first runner up. First runner up. It pains me to say that, Mary. I'm the last person because I don't do it when it comes to stuffs like this. But when it comes to the hard stuffs, you know what I'm talking about.
Come on, man.
That is why I can kill all of them.
This is a lightweight stuff, and you couldn't even finish them. I mean, finish it. I mean, come on.
Can you go tequila to tequila with me? You can't.
Tequila.
He can't go tequila to tequila with me. Vodka to vodka. He can't. You're only going to get me when it comes to Coca-Cola. So guys, that's it for the video. Can you subscribe to the channel?
Hold up. Subscribe to
RBJ Creative Studio. Subscribe to
Haters Last Reactions.
Thank you very much. See you.
Peace out. Peace out.
Boy, what's up? No.
Wait. You thought I was going to end the video, but no. I just got that. We recorded that. Look at him very well. You did that in the video. Bye bye.
Put it in.
Shit! Hey yo.
Hey yo. Right after the video.
Hey.
Just after the video. No. Hey. You don't gotta say anything. Don't say anything. Just after the video, you found out that this guy cheated.
No,
He
I didn't cheat.
He cheated.
No, I didn't.
You put this.
No,
You cheated.
No, come on.
I said
Listen.
you
Listen, I'm just bringing this up. No, it's not mine. No. Come on, it's your. Oh, come on. We're done with the video. Thank you for watching.
No.
Thank you for watching.
I am gonna lie to you. He's the last guy.
No.
On the way.
No.
Ray.
No.